Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Great to be here with you all. Thank you very much for joining me. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Live trades, real money. We sell you nothing. We're here as a family to support people. We've got a great community of traders that are all here trading with you. They're real positions, absolutely great. This is my portfolio right now. I've grown from 5,000 to 56 just about. About to hit some new records as well. Been a fantastic day today. Got lots to tell you. So if it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. There it is. Subscribe and ring the bell. Get yourself into the show. Let me go straight into the trading screen. You'll see where I am right now. You can see what I've been doing. Harpoon Therapeutics. Oh yes, a lot going on with that today. We'll come on to that in a second. Give us a thumbs up. Smash the like button. We're up to 7 likes. We're just straight off the bat. Mr. Steckel is here. Hi. Hit the like button, guys. Yeah, I love it. All my team working for me. Dr. Nathan Smith is here. Hello all. And Queen of Self-Braiding is here straight off the bat. This is great. And Martin, thanks for the advice earlier regarding my position. I'm sorry I couldn't respond. I am at work and had a call, so I had to pause and and fell behind the stream. No worries. Remember, you can always fast forward the stream. If you're behind me, just fast forward it. I bought 7.7 shares, by the way. 7.7. Congratulations to you. Hi all. Here he is. And Balazir is like everyone's here right off the bat. We are getting such a following now. This is great. Harpoon Therapeutics, one of my big stocks. I had $4,000 in this. And it just kept going down and down and down. I kept buying the dips down and down and down. And I ended up with $4,000 on a stock I really didn't want to have so much on. And it finally started to rise and it dropped back again. And I thought, flipping heck, I know it's going to go up to 400% this one. But it might keep going up and down. So I thought, right, I finally got some money here. I got zero. I was up like $10 and I sold my position and I'm so glad I did because it dropped again and then it rose here again and I managed to sell it this time, get all my money back out. So now I'm still looking at it because at the end of the day, I've left one share in it because this could go 400%, but if it drops back again, I'll buy in again, or if it starts to move, I'll jump in. But having $4,000 sat in this thing, which could be there for a long time, I wasn't comfortable with. So I was really happy to make $10 profit. I was like at one point $1,500 down, and I kept buying the dips. It kept crashing down all the way down. Look, you can see where it was, like up here, and in fact worse than that. Look at it, all the way down. I kept buying the dips. Finally got myself out of it. $10 profit, very happy, because now I have $6,000 again in my portfolio on buying power. Great. So what did I do? I bought Tesla the dip. I bought here again. We got a real big sale on Tesla right now because, of course, look, we're down. If you look at it on the month, Tesla, from this position here, you can see, look, we're up, sort of down sort of 10, 11%. So I decided, all right, I'm going to buy a share. So I've now got 9 Tesla shares. So I'm very happy with that. And Virgin Galactic's pumping Rivian. So did you watch it all day long? I did another trade, done 6 trades now on this, and I'm glad I did. I sold it here this morning. Up here, 131, I think it's 130, something like that, and it dropped back. Now look, do you see a pattern forming? It's testing this support line here. It's forming a support line across at this level here, 126, 126, does it again, 126. So we are right at the point of its next movement. Now, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? It's not going to just keep trading sideways like this. My feeling is, it's a great stock. I want to be in it. I'm currently just got one stock on it now to market. I think it could drop in the after hours. We've got a poll running right now. Will Rivian drop in the after hours? What are you saying? It's Friday, remember. I think we could get a bit of action in the next few minutes. It's 50-50. Look at that. 8% not sure. Look at that, 46% yes, 46% no. I vote no. I vote yes. Sorry, I think it will go down in the after hours. Everyone's loving it, but people are greedy. People want to make money, right? I want to see it drop back down. I want to see it dip under 100, and I've now got $6,000 to spend. So I've made a lot of money from all these different things. So I'm in a very strong position now. So I'm like I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm watching. I'm like Spider-Man. I'm sat there like that, waiting to pounce, right? I'm ready for it. So I've made my money on it already. I've made over $500 on it, so I'm very, very happy with that. I've made $500. Let's look at the chart. So basically, whenever I come into it, I've got like about four free stocks of Rivian. So that's fine. I've made some money there. So I just think this is, and it keeps, look, also, can you keep seeing the resistance line? Look, it's forming a resistance up here. Hang on, let me show you. Sorry. It's hitting this point and bouncing down every time. If it breaks through this point, like 130, then I think it could push upwards, but I don't think it's going to. I think, and I might be wrong, I just think at the moment, this is not normal for an IPO to do this. This is not what IPOs do. IPOs don't go up and up and up and up with nothing, you know. That isn't a play, that isn't a pullback. That's nothing. It instantly returned. We're just getting like, it's as if they're delivering all the cars, they've got all the money coming in. No. We are investing in the future. Everybody over on TikTok, come and join me on YouTube. You can't see any of the trades. Click the icon here, click the profile, come into YouTube. If you're one of my serious traders, you want to be here in YouTube. Smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. We've now got 10 likes. Not everybody's liked the video yet. Smash the like button. Let's get, we had 30 today. Friday is always a quiet day. If we get 20 likes today, we've had a really, really good Friday. The last session on Friday is always quiet. All right? So if we get 20 likes today, I'll be very, very happy with that. Right, so let's sip a cup of tea and get ready. I reckon we're going to get some after-hours action. Lucid is now lifting up. Great. Robinhood's been good. For Muzanella and myself, we're in this. I think Ballister is in it as well, right? Evening all, Arton. There you go. There we go. We got 10 likes. Not everyone has smashed the like button yet, I don't think. Ballister says, I got 5,000 burning a hole in my portfolio. Yeah, let's catch this dip for Rivian. I'm sure it's going to come. I might be wrong, of course. You know, no one predicts the future, but this is not normal. We're not normally just seeing everything up and up and up. I am in Robinhood as well. Yes, Dr. Nathan Smith is in Robinhood. I was out. I'm back in again now. I'm down $20 at the moment. We were in profit today. We were up here. We were up 4.89%. RBLX is doing great as well. We got that just come in from Dr. Nathan Smith. Thank you very much. Amazon is having a great time at the moment, up 1.54. Still down slightly on that one. Harpoon, see, I'm so glad I dropped out of that. It doesn't want to make any money past this point. So if it drops back down here again, I'll buy in again. All right. If I get down to here again, I'll buy in again. It had a real support line around the 660. So I'll buy back in again, but I was just tired, really frustrated and tired with having my money tied up there. So I sat, I waited, I saw it pop up yesterday, got to here, and I thought, okay, maybe the news is coming, maybe we're finally going to make some money, and it dropped back again. I sat, I waited, I didn't sell out, and then, it came in and bang. $10 profit, I was out. I'm in the money, and now I'm waiting for a dip to come back again. I'll buy when it gets around about here, but I'm not doing that again. I don't like losing money. Right, GGPI top tip. This came in from Muzanella. Muzanella put us onto this one, and we were up. I'm up 15% Sorry, I'm up 16% on this one. Really, really good. I've only got 25 shares in it, but I'm very, very happy with that. I'm letting that grow because that's the EV with the Polestar, which is soon to be done. This is bound to go higher, so I'm sticking with that. EVGO's been great. I'm up 6.5% with that one, recovered throughout the day. Bitcoin's now pushing up 64,000. Fantastic. Rivian, I'm watching it. I'm really watching it. We're popping up again now. Here we go. If it hits this point here, 130, if it breaks 130, if it goes up through 130, I would expect it to push upwards, but I don't think it's going to. And if it hits this wall here at 130 and drops back, I think we're going to fall down. That's what I think is going to happen. This pattern is forming. I've seen it before, and that's my theory. Only because there's so much money in this now. There is so much money in this. Somebody somewhere is going to want to take some profits. And imagine if Amazon dropped their 20%. I mean, they've made an absolute fortune, haven't they? You know, and it would drop it down. They'd buy it back in. I could see it happening. But we'll see what happens. Tesla now, let's have a look. Good, I've made some money on Tesla this morning. I've now got 9 shares of Tesla, which is great. I want Tesla to be my biggest stock. Tesla should be anyone's biggest stock, I would have said. Because remember, it ain't a car company. It's a battery, software, technology, solar, you name it, AI. I mean, has everyone seen the talk now of the iPhone Model P? Model P for Pi, the Apple phone, the Tesla phone. Over on TikTok, you can't see anything. 90% of my traders, if 90% of my TikTokers scroll through, the actual main show is on YouTube. If you are one of the 10% that want to make money, that want to see what we're really doing, that want to talk to serious traders and be inside the market, you want to be on YouTube. I've made it easy for you. The link is here. The icon is here. Click it and you'll see the YouTube link right behind it. Come and join me now live on YouTube. We're also today live on Twitter, Facebook and multiple websites. But the home is YouTube. That's where the traders are. And very, very exciting. Very, very exciting stuff. Right. RBLX is looking great. GGPI is on fire. Yep, because we're getting prepared. Thank you so much for this information, by the way, Muzanella. Thank you for this one. Really, really great. Thank you ever so much for it. 25 shares is all you need. And I know Moosenella's got a lot more, but when they partner up with their EV company, this 25 shares, imagine having 25 shares of Tesla. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I've got my buying power sat on the side. I'm waiting now for an opportunity. I really, really, really want to be in Rivian, and I'm really, really, really hoping it bounces off that one, that it retracts from that 130 position here. I'm hoping, and I know those of you who have got stock in it right now are not hoping. You want the opposite, right? But remember, I always try to buy when everyone else is selling. Everyone's buying into Rivian, but I'll tell you now, in case you haven't noticed, that this is the TikTok broadcast. Look at that. Look at that. No, this is the this is it. Look, the volume has dropped. I don't know if you can't see that on that angle, but the volume today is half of what it was the first 2 days. 48 million. It's average over the 3 days has been 93. It's less than half. In other words, the volume is going out of it. You don't want volume to disappear from your stock. It tells me anyway, this is what I think. I think it's hit a ceiling. It's hit a ceiling right now. That's what I think, because if you look at it, the first couple of days, up, and now we're leveling off. All right? So it's preparing for its next move. Now, you decide, is it about to start going up again, or do you think it's about to go down? RBLX is doing great. Let's have a quick look at RBLX for Dr. Nathan Smith. RBLX. Roblox. We looked at this before. Roblox is up 9% today. Let me have a look at this. Online gaming services, its platforms is a Roblox client, Roblox Studio. Okay. This is the one. Dr. Nathan Smith is in this. We're having a great run. Look at this. This has really popped up. Yep. Roblox. We had a tip off for that one a couple of days ago. Really doing well. It's not a market that is metaverse. It's not something that I'm particularly interested in right now. I don't understand it. Does anyone get what the metaverse is? I keep getting these little bits of information about it, and I think I don't really get what it's about. Maybe I'm too old. I don't want to put on a mask and be in a virtual world of whatever. I don't know. I'm not so sure about it. Not so sure. But anyway, I don't even know what it is, really. Basically living in the virtual world, yeah, I don't know. I'm not so sure that's the way I want to go with my life. Remember, you gotta love what you're investing in. That way you're happy with it, you know what you're doing. Right, look, it's hitting that and bouncing off again, see? It went up and bouncing off. We're gonna find out. It's gonna happen in the after hours. But I could see any minute now this selling off. See if I'm right. I've got Sam said he bought it in. Didn't you, Sam? Didn't you buy it at 129 today? So we got Sam here on a knife edge. Sam Laidler. Welcome, Sam Laidler. He's new to the team. Smash the like button, guys. We've got 12 likes now. We want to get up to. I'm going to set a new target of 20 likes a day. We used to have 129. So he sat on a knife edge. Sam is. So what I done, I bought one share at 128 as a marker share. That's what I've done. I've just dropped that in because I kept selling all of it, and now I know I'm in it for good. I've left a marker share there, so it just keeps it in my portfolio rather than having to keep digging down in my list. So much money to be made in the metaverse, coins and stocks. Yeah, I'm just not interested in it at the moment. You gotta love what you're investing in, right? There it goes. Look, it doesn't want to push back. See, I've got this feeling it's going to drop down. It keeps trying to rise up. It hits that. It's hit that resistance. This is what I would call a resistance now up here, and this is what's called a support line. And where's it going to break? All day long we're sat here just trading sideways. Trading sideways, people say is great. I don't think it's great when the volatility's dropped off. The volatility's dropped off by 50%. We're now at 48 million. So what's happened is everyone's put their money in. It's popped up, and now everybody's going, what are we doing? Is it good? Now where do we go? Do we drop back and sell off and buy back in again, or do we push up for the next level? Me personally, I think that this is going to drop off. Very soon, even YouTubers will be tubing as metaverse. Will they? I mean, how does that work? Have you any idea how complicated how complex my studio is? I mean, seriously, guys, I have the most complex studio you can imagine, right? There is so much work goes into this. Everything. I can't sit here with a headset on and be touching. Oh no. I've grown this to where it's as far as I want to go. As far as I want to go. So that makes me old, right? That makes me done. I'm here. I'm set. I don't know about going to the next level. I'm 52 years old. Maybe I'm just a little bit over the number now. You from Tehran? You from Iran? What the heck is that? Over on TikTok, I'll get such funny comments. No, I'm from Texas. I'm from the United States of America. Sorry, I'm from the UK, Cornwall, but I live here now in Texas. My studio is in Texas. My home is in England. So yeah, yes, my studio is here in Texas. If you want to know what's going on and talk to my traders and be part of the real thing, you need to click the icon here and the icon, and you'll find the YouTube link. That's where my serious traders are. If you want to come in, promote yourself, you've got a YouTube channel, we promote everyone that joins our team. It's completely free. We want nothing from you. We're here to support you and grow money with everyone. All right? But it's all happening on YouTube. You can't see none of it on TikTok. And come over to TikTok, YouTube right now. Right, Rivian, look at it. So today, my all-time high is 56.7. I'm $1,000 away from my all-time high. I thought I was going to make it today. I still actually might make it, if I'm totally honest. Muzanella, are you in Decentraland? Bill is inviting you to join. There we go. Bill is inviting you all to join his brokerage. He's got a brokerage, and if anybody wants to join, they get a free stock from his portfolio, from his referral code, and so does he, I believe. That's what works. That's how it works for me with Robinhood. I don't mind my moderators promoting their brokerages, and that's all good. Tesla is moving up. Nice. Thank you very much. I bought my 9th share, so I'm very happy. Virgin Galactic pushing back down again. That's now really getting quite low for me now. I'm $1,700 out of pocket with that one right now. So when that pops up, which it will, I'll take some money off the table. It's got a bit too big. 21% is too big. Rivian, what are you going to do? What are you deciding to do? Are you listening to me? Or are you listening to Sam Laidler, who's shouting at the screen, going, "Go up, go up"? If he goes up, Sam, I would hold it, because if it starts to push up, I think it will continue for a while. It's great, but it's just a bit too expensive right now. Harpoon making a little push up again. When that starts to move, or in fact, I'll buy back in Harpoon when it drops down to sort of 7 or 6 again. Just sold a share in Rivian, waiting for it to drop and buy back in. There we go. P.S. We are the same age, 52. Hello, Arton. There we go. All the 52-year-olds think it's about to drop. Right, 50% say drop. 38% no, not sure, 12%. We've got 16 votes. Everyone smash the like button and hit the subscribe and ring the bell if you just joined us. If you're coming over from TikTok, if you just joined from TikTok, welcome to you. That's where you need to be. You can't see anything on TikTok. Right, it's pushing up again. Open an account with 100 here. SoFi. I've got everybody touting for business now. I love it. Everyone's in my channel touting for business. We've got Dr. Nathan Smith. He's given you his link. I'm going to get commission on your free stocks. All right. So when you start getting everyone signing up, when we start getting 1,000 people a stream, and you get 1,000 people, click on your link, and and get your free stocks. I want a commission. What you got to do is you got to send me a tip with Bitcoin or Dodge or whichever currency you have. That'll be good. I'll have a little side business, and that'll be the like a 5% commission of your stocks that you get for free. Hey. Oh, by the way, nobody did it. No one did it in the Trust Wallet. I'm just saying, nothing came through. I don't know if anybody did it, but I'll just show you my Trust Wallet. Nothing came through. No, I'm just checking. No, here it goes. Here's my Trust Wallet, and I opened up Bitcoin, Ethereum, IOTEX, USDC, Shiba Inu. I didn't get any, and the 65 cents was already mine. So I just want to say, didn't get any tips this morning. You know when people watch Meet Kevin, and when they watch what's his name? Everyone's George. Cryptos Are Us. They get their monetized channel, so people give them tips through the live chat. I haven't got that because I'm not monetized. You can't support the channel and be a Patreon. Anyway, It amazes me that those guys who are monetized get so many tips for their show. It's incredible. Sand is as good as mana. I'm in Sandbox as well. Right. Rivian is still pumping up. We got 5 minutes before the Friday bell. Is everybody ready? Right. I've got $6,000 in my buying power. Brilliant. I've never had so much money sat there doing nothing. Never had so much money doing nothing. And I'm okay with that going into the weekend. I would like to buy a bargain though, if I can get one. Tesla's moving up. I don't want to buy any more. I've got $9,000 worth of Tesla. That's now 18% of my portfolio, right where it wants to be. Virgin Galactic, I can't get out of it. I'm 14% down, which is $1,700 down. I've just got to wait, but it will pop up soon. Rivian is pushing up. I still think it's going to go down. If you give us a vote, we've got 14 likes now. Oh, we got a down like again. Oh, by the way, right? Really, really weird. You know, they say with success comes all the great stuff, but also comes the abuse, the trolls, and so on. The last couple of days, as my channel is growing, all right, the Martyn Lucas music channel is growing, the Day Trader's growing. We got 29 subscribers yesterday. We got 20 subscribers today, I think. We're really growing, right? All of a sudden, for the first time, every single show of my music channel and this channel, someone's coming in down liking the video. It's happened now every day, the last 2 days. Today, 3 days, the last 3 days on both channels. So someone's coming in both channels purposely down liking the video. I regard that as a success. It means, I don't know, with success comes negative stuff, right? So I regard that as a success. So whoever you are coming in just to download the video, because you don't chat, you're not part of the team, you're not part of the family, I know you're not. You're just coming in to download the video every time. I thank you for your one view, and I thank you for your download. I would love you to put in the chat what you don't like about what we're doing so I can make it better. But if you just want to come in and download the video, it's fine. I'm going to get used to it, I'm sure. But it's funny that it's every day now, and it's funny that it's both channels, always one. So there we go. I guess that's part of start getting trolled. Robinhood is now moving up. I'm just $10 out of the money, but very, very close. When those wallets come out, it's going to pop, that is. Harpoon, what are you doing? Yeah, just sitting there. I'm not going to touch you yet. I've got a funny feeling you'll drop again. I might buy back in again if it drops. Right, 1.5 minutes to go. So excited to see what's going to happen on the first weekend for Rivian. 16 likes now. If you're watching on the replay, smash the like button. We're live every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell. And we chill out with a cup of tea. Tonight, I'm going to really chill out. In an hour from now, on my music channel, I'm doing an Elton John show. Really cool. The unplugged Elton John songs you never get to hear. It's going to be an unplugged show. The Elton John songs you never get to hear. That's what I'm doing tonight. 19 watching now. If you just joined in, smash the like. If we can get to 20 likes, that'd be fantastic. We're a brand new channel, just a few months old now. And we're watching the close of the bell here for Rivian. It's first close of the bell weekend. And we've got 16 likes now. If we can get up to 20, it'd be amazing. And let's keep our eye on it. The portfolio is moving up slightly. We're down today. Right, let's get the. I want the scores on the doors in a minute as well. I want to find my day trader of the day. We're 17 likes now. Fantastic. Virgin Galactic pulling back. All right, 15 seconds to go. Let's get the bell ready. Let's watch Rivian. Let's see it close up. Where are we going to go with it? Where are we going to go? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. The bell's gone. What happened to my 15 Rivian? I sold in and out 5 times. I've made money on the way up and the way down. I'm currently owning with one. I've now got a lot more money I've made from other stocks, sat on the sidelines, waiting to buy back in. You make more money trading. We proved that. We actually showed that on the show. We did a test. If I'd left the money in on that first 2 days, I would have made, I think it was $190, was it? $180. And I doubled that by trading all the way up and all the way down. Caught all the dips. Bought here, sold here. Sold here, bought in here. All this kind of thing. So I bought here, sold there, bought in here, sold up there, bought here, sold up there. Did it 5 times. So that's where we're at. And I'm thinking we might get a sell-off in the after hours. So let's have a look at Rivian's chart now. And let's show you the chart. See what you think. It's closed at 0.8, yes. 0.08 in the green, yeah, you did. I'm gonna say I'm up $250 today. Congratulations. My overall portfolio is down $420, but I'm constantly repositioning myself with more and more and more stocks, buying dips. So very often it doesn't show in my portfolio, but actually underneath it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. I've now got 9 shares of Tesla. I've now got $6,000 in my buying power. See? So my strength is getting better. I made profits from Rivian. We're waiting to see what Rivian will do. I thought we might have had a sell-off, but we haven't. In the after hours, we are showing we're down 0.18. Right, let's get the scores. I am up, Dr. Smith is up 0.48. Up 0.48. I'm down, so I lose. Dr. Nathan Smith is up 0.48. Who beats that? Anybody beat that? Bill is down 1.83. Mr. Stecco is up 1.76. He goes into the lead. Muzanella, let me hear from you. I need to try to send you some to your, what is it? Up 11.94%. I check out since it is Friday, so I was conservative. There we go. Muzanella is up 1.94. Does anybody beat that before I give the prize to Muzanella? If you're over on TikTok, you can't take part in our competition. Can you do a Tommy Cooper impression? I get such crazy people on TikTok. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, just not like that, but just like that. There we go. That's an impression for someone on TikTok for some reason. If you want to be part of my day trading team, please do come and join us here on YouTube. The link is in the profile. And come and join us on YouTube. 17 likes now. Fantastic. 2 down likes now. I've got 2 down likes. There we go. People are coming through to down like the video. Great. I have success because if I go on to the big YouTubers, they've got hundreds of down likes. So I'm doing something right now. For some reason, I'm now starting to upset people. By the way, I will tell you, after years of my YouTube channel, Martyn Lucas, and 3 or 4 months of the Day Trader, I've only ever had, I think, 1 down like. That 1 is the maximum. I've now got 2, so that's a world record. I've now got 2 down likes, the first time ever. That's a record now. There we go. So let's have a look. What do we think? What's Rivian going to do? Rivian's just pulling back now. So Sam Laidler, he's up in the green. He probably is now out. He's probably out of the money again. What are you doing? Are you staying with your position right now? Or what are you going to do? Mine as well. But I have it in SoFi. Haters gonna hate. Yeah. Right, we are going to give Bad Day down 1.35, so 11.94. Thank you for sharing. Musanella is the winner. Let's give a great big thumbs up to Musanella. Everyone, congratulate him. There we go. Well done. I have to say, he seems to be winning all the time. He seems to be winning every day. So I invite all of you to share your portfolios on my Twitter page, on the Facebook group. So if you want to see what Musanella is trading, and I'll do the same. Let's share our portfolios on the pages and the on Twitter, and that way everybody can see what everyone's doing. And if you want to follow someone, you can. Down 0.34 in the after hours. All right, so we made 50 million trades today with Rivian, which is half of what we did the last 2 days. So that tells me it's slowing down right now. There's no great news. They're not going to announce tomorrow they've made a lot of money. They're not going to announce they've suddenly got 10,000 trucks being delivered. That's a few weeks away, maybe months away. So until we get good news, I don't know what the stock's going to do. I think it could drop back and then pump back up again. That's what I think is going to happen. It might be a Monday morning thing now. But the after hours is always very interesting. You never know what's going to happen on the after hours. There we go. Looking at Lucid now. With his capital, I'm not surprised. I will play. No, it's got nothing to do. It's got nothing to do with money, Mr. Stecco. Remember, money has the amount of money is irrelevant. It's all to do with percentages. If you've only got $1, let's say you got $10 and you got $1 on each stock, you could be up 100% and have made like 10 cents. It doesn't matter how much money you have. Remember, I've grown this portfolio from $5,000. Doesn't matter how much money you have. It's all about what you do and the percentages and whether you sell to then buy back something else and to grow it. I've got something. Hang on a minute. I will play a little more. I will play a little bit of a long game with this first one. I can't day trade anyway. Oh, you can't? Why can't you, Sam? Why can't you? If I give you my Robinhood account, you can day trade. Here you are. This is my Robinhood account. Use that as a referral code. Get yourself a free stock. Set that up. You can. I just sent you a list of metaverse stocks to please forward to Dr. Nathan. Oh, okay. I will do that. I will do that. What I'll do is... whatever, I'll do whatever you like me to. I'll do whatever you like me to. I'll either post it on the group, post it on Twitter. Shall I post it on the group and Twitter, and then everyone can see it? Is that okay? You have if Dr. Nathan Smith. I think you got my email. Just email me, anyone. Whichever you want, whatever you want me to do, I'll do it. It's fine. Let me just check. You sent me the email. I've got it. Yep, Sean. Please forward to Dr. Smith. There we go. Great. I've got it. Thank you very much. Dr. Nathan Smith. You've got my email. If you haven't, here it is. Whoops. Whoops, done it again. There we go, Martyn at martynlucas.com. Just, yeah, I'll post it. Okay, I'll post it. But if you email me, Dr. Smith, I'll email it to you as well. Robinhood, yes, less than 25,000 in my account. But that doesn't matter. With Robinhood, you can still day trade under 25,000. Not a problem at all. It's just only do 3 day trades in a 4-day period. That's all. But if you use my referral code, Sam, set up your account, link it to your bank, do all that good stuff, exactly like I have, and you will end up with a free stock. Okay? And then I get a free stock, you get a free stock. There's the link once again. Anyone in America can do that. And you will have all the information that I have, and I can support you. in any way I can. All right. Right. Rivian. Just holding. It's just pretty. It's pretty much there flat. Look, 0.01 after hours. So it's strong, isn't it? Doesn't want to drop back. Play My Valentine, Paul McCartney. Tonight is an Elton John show. Tonight is an Elton John unplugged show. If you've just joined us and you're watching on the replay, give us a thumbs up, because we've got 2 people now who've disliked the show for some reason. Can't make everybody happy. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let's see if we can get to 20 likes before the end of the show. We've got 20 minutes before we finish. Robinhood now moving up slightly. GTPI over 1320. Yeah, I got it too. Look at that, and it's still going up in the after hours. The after hours, 3%. See, even though the after hours has a lot less trading, a lot less volatility, you can still see stocks really pump. I've seen that happen a lot, and it's happening right now. We've got Gores Guggenheim is up 3.5% in the after hours. Look at that. Wow. I'm up 20% on this one now. You have Spire Global stock? No, I don't. I've not heard of that one. Evgo, pretty flat today. Bitcoin now pumping back up again. On is now flat. Harpoon Therapeutics, I'm so glad I'm out of that. I'm honestly, the frustration of having $4,000 tied up in the stock that just constantly goes down is really annoying. You can't get GTPI on eToro. Oh, okay. What about Astrospace? Robinhood, nice. Lucid, bit down today. Rivian, SPCE, Virgin Galactic just coming up a little bit. Tesla dropping back again. The overall portfolio, there's always someone who hates everything and everything. They live a sad life. Yeah. It doesn't matter, does it? I don't understand it. I've never criticised anything. I've never disliked anything. I've never left a bad review, never left a bad comment. If you don't like something, if I watch a channel and I don't like it, I just don't watch it again. If someone said something, I don't know, abusive, I go, that's not very nice, and I just wouldn't watch it again. I don't see the point in putting negative karma out there and going, this is rubbish. I mean, I don't know. I mean, you know, I can't help how I sound, or I can't help what my face looks like, and you know, this is what I do. And if you don't like it, don't watch it. But the funny thing is, though, the way the analytics work, all engagement is good. So the more engagement I get, the better. YouTube don't show people videos less just because they don't like them. They don't show that person the video, but they show more people the video because there's been this engagement. So actually, they're helping me. All it will do, if everyone disliked the video, you would stop seeing it. It wouldn't show up anymore. So, but then you didn't want to watch it, so it wouldn't make any difference, would it really? You know, doesn't do anything bad for me at all. And by the way, because I get asked this question, people have asked me, do you know who the people are that dislike your videos? No. As a YouTuber, you don't know. You can't ring them up. You can't message them. You can't say, oi, because that would be harassment, right? You don't know who's liked or disliked your video. It's impossible, and it's a good thing. Otherwise, people would chase after people, wouldn't they? Some people get a kick out of it. I'm sure they do. They come on and just be the one to down-like it. I'm sure they do. A lot of them are not even real people. They are bots. Maybe they are. Geely owns Polestar. G-E-L-Y-F. Geely owns Polestar. That's who's going in with GGPI. By the way. So look, that's why Gores Guggenheim is pumping. This was Musanella came on and he said, Martin, if you lose up to $1,000 on Gores Guggenheim, I will give you the $1,000. He was pretty confident, wasn't he? He was pretty confident. So anyway, that's what he said. That's what he said. You all heard him say it live on the show. It was real. Rivian is dropping back now. There we go. A little bit. Down 0.5% in the after hours. Tell you what, it's been very strong today. It's tried to push up, it couldn't push through. It's tried to drop down, it couldn't drop down. It's obviously, it's a strong stock. I meant it. I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. I'm glad it never happened. I'm glad it never happened. What I should have done is I should have invested like 10 grand. Because I mean, when can you invest money knowing if you lose money, someone's going to guarantee the loss? When does that ever happen? That happens in your wildest dreams. Well, I had that, but I only invested 300 bucks. I should have gone, all right then, I'll invest 10 grand. That's what I should have done. But I didn't. Never mind. I really want to get this portfolio to 100,000 by the end of the year, and I believe it could. The only thing is, now I've taken myself out of Harpoon. If that does go up by 400%, which it could, $28 a share is its target price now, then I'm currently out of it. But if it starts to move, I'll get back in again. One time ever from Muzanella. One time ever. Yeah. This is your opportunity. Do you choose to go through the red door or the blue door? I Sarah Sarah. K Sarah Sarah. Is that what you mean? It's like, yeah, do you take the red pill or do you take the blue pill? Every now and again you get a gift. And Muzanella offered me a gift and I never took it. That's the right thing. That's the right thing to do, though, folks. Right? I'm just saying the right thing to do wasn't me go right. I'm going to do $10,000. Anyway, we're watching very closely. We've only got 15 minutes left to go before we end the show, and then we're going to take a 30-minute break, and then I'll be back with the Elton John show. Unplugged Elton John tonight. No backing tracks. All unplugged, Elton John, totally chilled, really, really cool, with the beer in my hand. I'm a financial advisor, but please read the email I sent you earlier about GGPI and Polestar future IPO compared to Lucid and Rivian. Thank you, Muzanella. I will. Thank you. I'm not a financial advisor. Sorry. There we go. No, you choose the right way. No, you chose the right way to go. Yeah. No pills, just joints. Ah, good. Virgin Galactic just pushing up in the after hours. Good. I need to get out of Virgin Galactic. I mean, Virgin Galactic is January. January is when the money will come in for Virgin. I've got to wait till then. Looking forward to seeing who's fed up with seeing red days with Tesla. What? I mean, seriously? All week we've seen red days. We don't see red days with Tesla, do we? It's normally like this. And it'll come back. It's just an opportunity now to buy. This is why I've now got 9 shares. My work day is over and I'm about to leave my office. Wonderful stuff. Yeah, I'm about to switch chairs as well, and about to become the piano man. And do some Elton John just on the piano. No tracks, nothing like that. Ooh, look at Mr. Laidler. Are you watching Rivian? Robert, have you sold Robinhood yet? Robinhood is here. Robert is here. Have you sold Robinhood yet? I sold it and bought back. I repositioned and I'm back in now with Robinhood. So I'm just down 1%. During the day I've been up. I'm about to join Bill with a joint. Good for you. Live on the show. I love it. Watching like a hawk. Yeah. Live on the show, we're announcing that people are smoking weed. Brilliant. That's it. That's the way to get my channel banned. Oh, fantastic. Tesla. Moving back a bit. I'm watching. He's watching with like a hawk. Yeah, absolutely. Try PaySafe. Good value at the moment. PaySafe. PaySafe. Not heard of PaySafe. Okay, we got a top tip. Everyone searching PaySafe. There it is. There's PaySafe. Look at this. This is PaySafe. Let me bring it into you. PaySafe. This stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. All right. This is not something I would invest in. Ooh. Extreme volatility. Very, very new. Market cap 3 million. Average volume 32 million. Okay. That's good. For a small company, that's good volume. Shall we add that to our list? Let's add that to our list. There we go. New ideas. This is especially for... I was looking at that this morning. Didn't bite. No. Yeah. PaySafe. It's in my research. We'll research it, and you'll see me post information about it on my Twitter if I find anything that's of any use for anyone. All right, now then, Rivian volume is gone. It's now down to 50 million, 307,000, 310. We've had 3,000 trades in the last second with Rivian. Let's look at it. Let's go back to the chart. Remember, the market is open till 5. The pre-market, the after hours, goes until 5. I won't be there till 5. I'll be there for another 8 minutes. But it's dropping back. Oh, I'd love to be able to buy in now if it drops. 128. There we go. Sam Laidler is out with the money right now. They just posted losses of 35 million in the third quarter. Yeah. PaySafe. Thank you for that information, Muzanella. They are open until 8. Who's open till 8? The after hours is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock my time, which is 6 p.m. your time. The after hours finishes at, what do you mean 8? It finishes at 5 p.m. Central Time, which is 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And you're on Eastern Time, right? $8 p.m. Who's open till 8 p.m.? The after hours is... I use Webull. Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Are you telling me that different markets, different brokerages have different after-hour times? Because that's interesting. I'd like to know that. Rivian is dropping. But it's not too much, Richard. Sorry, Sam Laidler, you're okay. Ah, right. $4.50 calls placed today, running till April. Wish me luck. Everybody wish luck to Robert. There we go. The crowd is waving at you. If you smash the like button, I start at 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. Bloody hell. 4 a.m.? I thought I was doing long hours. That's insane. Do you have a wife or anybody that, anybody in your life that's that you've managed to keep? Bloody hell. If I did that, I'd be in trouble. Wow. Do you have one of those posh desks where you can stand up? Oh my God, Martin, what's going on? Nessun Dorma, please. I got some of my music fans over on TikTok asking for Nessun Dorma. This is the Day Trader channel. And by the way, if you're on TikTok, you're missing the show. You need to be on YouTube. Click the profile link just here. Click the icon just here. And then the YouTube link is right behind there. Come into YouTube. That's where we are right now. I've made it really easy. 3 clicks. Click the icon. Click the icon. Click the YouTube link. That's where I am. That's where all our trading team is as well. Come and join us. We've got just 5 minutes left. Thanks, people. Wife and 2 kids to pay for. Yes, I understand that, mate. But my God, you work hard. Good luck. The first trade. Pay safe. Got it there. I've added it to my list, so we'll keep an eye on it. But my portfolio is lovely. It's rising now all the time. This is really nice. Exactly what I want to happen. Good luck, Robert. There you go. Remember, if you don't wish good luck to everybody else, you get none yourself. If you're watching on the replay, smash the like button. Consider subscribing to our channel. We're live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. And for those of you that want to hear something you've never heard before, here is the after show party. I'm doing an Elton John unplugged show tonight, and I'm going to give you the link in the chat. There it is. All right. On the homepage of the Day Trader YouTube channel, you will see the featured channel of the Martyn Lucas music, and that's the show tonight I'm doing. Get yourself in there for an Elton John request. Just Elton John songs tonight. Mr. Steckel, I'm a chef. I start work at 4:30 UK, so I'm off to bed, guys. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. See you Monday. I love it. What a family. What a family. See you Monday. I'm going to walk into my studio on Monday morning, and we're all going to be there, right? This is so wonderful, isn't it? Good luck to everyone everywhere. Right, we got 2 minutes to go before we close, and can we try IOTX to your wallet? Oh, okay. He's determined. He's determined to give me a tip. He's the best, isn't he? Let's keep our eye on Rivian, because look, it's a little chance here of an opportunity. Right. So you want Right. Let me just get it. Make sure that it's the right one. He's been trying to do this all day. So do you mean this one? I want to make sure that it's the right one. Do you mean this one? Ends with E, or ends with E? Oh, okay. So receive, and you want to do IOTX. IOTX. That's what I've got. Which one? Ends with an E. Which one? Which one do you mean? Let Muznada answer that question. Well, we're still watching the market. It's not the network. Well, is it the top one then? IOTEX? That's the one I showed you earlier. Try the first one. Alrighty then. Right, let me take a picture of that. Okay, the reason why I'm taking a picture is because want to make sure we keep it all on the screen. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. So here we go. I'm getting, this is my Patreon. My Patreon is supporting my channel. Look at that. And I'm going to give benefits. There's going to be extra benefits to my fans who support the channel. Remember, everything I do is for free, and Musanella wants to support the channel, which is very, very nice of him, by the way. There we go. Tell me when you got that. And you're going to send me a tip. Support the channel. Thank you very much. Isn't that amazing? People want to give you some love and support the channel. How cool is that? There you go. Hopefully you've got that now. I'll go off the screen. You should have that now. There we go. I'm going to try that. Okay. Let's go back to the trading screen just for a second. There we go. Fade that out. Boom. Look at that. Seamless. Did you see how good that was there? Oh, yeah. Right. Rivian. I thought for a minute we were in there. I thought we were gonna drop some more then, but it didn't. But I still believe it's gonna drop. Okay, we're just waiting now. My Coinbase Pro said earlier wrong address. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't know what to say about that. That's the address it gives me in my Trust wallet. All I can say is that. Tesla, Virgin Galactic, Rivian, very strong. Doesn't want to fall. Doesn't want to fall. After hours, everything's just going sideways now. And as time goes by, we won't see much more. Harpoon, yeah, I'm out of that. Good. On, yeah, everyone's going quiet. Look, all the market's going to sleep. But we're still pumping. Gores Guggenheim up 22% for me now. Absolutely fantastic. One of my best returns. It shows wrong again. Well, I don't know what to say then, Musanella. I don't know what to say. It must be a different IOX or whatever it is you've got. Zelle. Yeah, I've got Zelle. Yeah, Zelle is my email. There we go. There we go. There's Zelle. Martyn at martynlucas.com is my Zelle. There we go. And if anyone, my Apple Pay as well. I'll do everything. Let's see, my money man. 646-591-3994. There's the Apple Pay. All right. Anyway, we've come to the end of the show. Thank you ever so much, everyone. We'll be back in 28 minutes for an unplugged Elton John special. And I'll be back on Monday morning picking up this, and we're going to see how we go. Hold. Moo's there saying hold. He wants me to wait just a second. I can only wait maybe 3 or 4 minutes because then I've got to get ready for my music show. Takes a few minutes to reset a few things. Gores Guggenheim. Rivian is pumping up a little bit more. Ooh, I so want to be in with Rivian. Am I going to get back in it at this price? I've now got $6,000 sitting there. I will spend $3,000. I will invest $3,000 on Rivian if I can get in, and then I can buy a dip should that happen. But GGPI going up. All right, I'm going to start to wrap it up. Let me go to the end screen. Musanella's telling me to hold. I've got to get ready for the music show, but I will be back on Monday. It's very, very nice of you, Musanella, trying to support my channel and give me a tip. It's incredibly, incredibly decent of you, sir. I really do appreciate it. Absolutely amazing. How cool is this? I've just had an email from Andy Turner. Andy Turner is Arton Films. I think, yep, it's, I can show the email because everything's off screen. This is very nice. Look at this. Andy Turner, keep up the good work. Hi Martin, thought I'd drop you an email and say how I am enjoying the channel. Just started trading with some Bitcoin, etc., but wanted to look at the normal stocks and came across your channel. Very refreshing and has that family feel. I love that, right? Bit about me. I'm a boot camp instructor, ex-forces, ex-police. Hit some bad times after my divorce, but I'm very much a people person. Very nice. I live a modest life in a motorhome, but I hope to change my luck and build for the future. Hopefully this is the start of that. I'm starting with $1,000. I love this story. Anyway, I'll be staying around. Keep up the good work. Regards, Andy Artem Films. Everybody, what a wonderful message. We have such an amazing family of people here. It's incredible. Right, and it's just getting better every day. That's it, I think. Rivian is pumping again. I got a message there from Muzanella. I will check that out later. But that's it from me. I have to run. Okay, so Rivian. News of the day, it's holding. It's very, very strong. Doesn't want to drop. No one's selling out. So I will look at this and I might buy in a position because it looks strong. It doesn't want to shift. And if it's going to hold like this, I think it could... yeah, it's crazy. It's not crazy. Everyone's investing in the future. I get it. I totally get what this is about. But of all the IPOs I've followed, some I've invested in, some I've followed, I've never seen one so strong as this. This does not want to drop. People are not selling out. People are seeing this as a new Tesla. I get it. 13 likes. Smash the like button if you've just come on into the show. We're just about to finish and... First evening show. Hello, James McManus has just joined. We're just finishing the show now, and we're just going to get ready for the Martyn Lucas music show. But anyway, there we go. Very, very strong. People, even though it's extremely overvalued, priced, it's people are investing in the future, and they don't want to get out of this at this price. People really believe that this is going up, and I believe it too. That's why I've invested in it 5 times. I've made some money, but now I'd like to get back in, and I thought a dip was coming, but it doesn't show any sign. It's showing strength. You all have a nice weekend. Brill. I'll tune in just on holiday in the Lake District. Oh, I love the Lake District. Don't miss the music show. Unplugged Elton John tonight. So Elton John named me World Piano Man 2002, and I'm doing some very special, exclusive unplugged piano stuff tonight, which you've probably never heard before. All right, this is awesome. So good. That's it. I've got to go. Keep your eye on this. I'll see you all back, and I'm sure, on Monday morning. Hopefully join me in 20 minutes. Grab a beer. Chill out. Put me on the big screen. Get yourself on the big speakers in your lounge. Get your neighbours round and say, World Piano Man Martyn Lucas is going to do some unplugged Elton John songs. Click the share button. Let everybody see it. 14 likes. Can we get one more like before I go? And then we'll have 15. Because our average is 15. We can't go without the average. Batteries not included. All right. That's it from me. See you back in the morning. You take care of yourselves and each other.